Taxable bonds and municipal bonds differ in tax status and risk profile. Interest from municipal bonds is usually exempt from federal income taxes and may also be exempt from state taxes if the bond was issued in the state where the investor lives. In contrast, interest from taxable bonds, such as corporate and treasury bonds, is generally taxable at the federal level. Municipal bonds are generally considered lower risk than corporate bonds because municipal issuers rarely default and the projects they fund are essential. However, the risk profile of municipal bonds can vary depending on the financial health of the issuer and the project being funded. For example, general obligation bonds, which use taxes to pay investors, are generally low risk, while revenue bonds, which use project revenue to pay investors, are higher risk. Because of their tax-free status, municipal bonds typically have lower yields than taxable bonds. However, investors can calculate a tax-equivalent yield to determine if a municipal bond is competitive with a taxable bond. The formula for tax-equivalent yield is tax-free municipal bond yield divided by 100 minus tax bracket. For example, if a municipal bond is yielding 5% and you are in the 35% tax bracket, your tax-equivalent yield is 7.69%. If you sit in the 35% income tax bracket and live in a state with relatively high income tax rates, then investing in municipal bonds will likely be a better option than taxable bonds. Alternatively, if your income is in the 12% tax bracket, then you may want to steer clear of municipal bonds. In general, tax-exempt municipal bonds are more attractive to those in higher tax brackets. To compare municipal bonds to taxable bonds, you need to determine the tax-equivalent yield of the municipal bond. Though certificates of deposit carry less risk, municipal bonds have tended to outperform them. Before investing in municipal bonds or municipal bond funds, talk with your financial advisor or tax advisor to see if it fits your investment and tax-saving goals. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.